So here's how we can add the full reel on an Instagram story. So you probably noticed that if you click on a share next to any reel, it will post it to a story. Like there is the option, but it will only make it 15 seconds. So instead, you can still stay at the reels, tap on the more options or click on share like this. And instead of posting it to story, click on copy a link. Then go to Safari and type into the search Instagram video downloader. This will give you a couple of different pages which all do the same thing, but you want to open up some of them, then paste the link which you just copied, and you'll be able to download that reel to your gallery. It might take a moment, but of course it is very quick. Then once you have the reel, the actual video downloaded in your camera, like in the gallery of the iPhone, you can then post it as your own video to the internet. Of course, it's always a good idea to give credit to that person, especially if you're downloading this from someone else. If it's your own video, of course, you can post it right away. So that's how it works. That's how you can get and like add a full reel on the Instagram story. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.